Do you have a Mercedes Benz that no start, no crank, just like no response every time you turn the car on, and your steering wheel won't turn left or right? So that means your steering wheel is in lock position. So I'll plan a video that I'll be able to help you to fix this with guiding with my videos, how to remove the stuff that you need to remove and things that you need to send to me, and I can replace it with the ESL emulator. Just like one of our subscriber here, he watched my video and I'll be able to help him out. So check this out. This guy sent me his ignition switch, which is the EIS, and the key fob that he has.
I removed switch. So I'm gonna, if you can send me your address, and I'll send you the part with the key.
So once I receive your ignition switch, the EIS of your car, and the key fob, I'll be doing the programming, and I'm gonna be able to check this if everything is working good condition. If most likely if your ESL is bad, so I'll be replacing with the ESL emulator. And while I'm doing that, if your steering wheel is in lock position, you need to drop your steering column and remove the ESL, so you'll be able to replace it with the emulator. And I have videos, have it linked down below on the description. Go check them out, how to remove it. Like this guy here, he followed my video and this is what he did to his car while I'm programming his emulator.
I managed to take it out through that hole sideways. It came out easily through the top. Took off the bolt from the lock, and you can see it's locked. So now I gotta drill the hole like on your video and get it out. I drilled the hole like on your video, turn it clockwise until it unlocked, and I turned it with this, and now I can take it out. There's my problem. No more problem.
Okay, and this process, when I have your EIS and your key fob, this process of programming, I could do it in one day. If I receive your parts tomorrow, I'll work the same day tomorrow and ship it the next day. And here's the result after receiving back the parts. And all you gotta do is just replace your ESL with the program emulator that I made you, and install everything back, your EIS. And check this out, here's the video that he has first time he started the car.
Alright, this is a 2008 Mercedes C300. The ESL went bad on it. I reached out to AutoPurlieu. He hooked me up with this emulator that makes the car think that it has, well, the motor and all that stuff, but I just plugged it in. Now this is the moment of truth. I took all the steering wheel, I follow his instruction on the video that he has on YouTube, and this is the first time. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's good. I got, oh, beautiful, beautiful, nice. Thank you so much, AutoPurlieu. Thank you so much.
All right, so that's done, guys. He is really happy with the result of his car. He'll be able to start it and crank it with no problem. So if you have any questions, just go ahead, come message me, AutoPurlieu, and you can find me on Facebook, AutoPurlieu, and let's see what's going on with your car. We have a GLK, it happens C-Class, E-Class, S-Class. Just come message me and we'll see what I can help you, and I can make you another key as well for this, so he doesn't have a problem with you. If you have any question, just message me, and I do have plenty of videos on my playlist. Go to my channel and you go to Mercedes Benz playlist, and there's a lot of educational video there, how I program this thing and how to fix the customer problems. All right, guys, hope this helped, and looking forward to help you. Thank you.